Hello everybody, how are you? Today we'll solve the example to find the unknown value of x. If 3x minus 2 all power 2 equivalent to x plus 6 all power 2, you can symbolize this. First power 2 and second power 2. First here 3 will be 9, 9x power 2, and second will be power 2, and the middle 2 times first times second. 2 times 3 6, 6 times 2 is 12, right? 12x. And this also x power 2, and second will be power 2 here, 36. 6 times 6, 36. And 2 times 6, 12, right? 12x. Now you can symbolize move x power 2, subtract from left hand side 9x power 2, subtract x power 2 equal 8x power 2. And then 12 also x subtract by 12x plus 4 and move 36 by negative 36 equals 0. Then we have 8x power 2 subtract by 24x and write negative 36 minus 4 is 32. Okay, and then you can simplify by divided by 8 to find the answer. Right, x power 2 subtract by 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 3x subtract by 32 divided by 8 equals 4. Now I will factorize the expression by product between two brackets. X power 2 equivalent to x times x. We want to number the product between together equal 4 and the difference between them equal 3. 1 times 4, 4, and the difference between equal 3 and the sign about greatest will be like the middle. So we have two values. X minus 1 equals 0, then x will be equal 1, or x minus 4 equals 0, then the value of x here equal 4. So we have two solutions about this example. Okay, the value will be 1 or 4. Okay, understood? We can write two numbers, the product of them equal 4, 1 times 4, and the greatest number will be negative, and the smaller will be positive here. So if x plus 1 equals 0, then the value of x equal negative 1, and x minus 4 equals 0, then the value of x here equal 4. Then we have negative 1 or 4. It's the value about this question. Okay, next question here. If 1 over 1 subtracted by 1 over x equivalent to 1 plus 1 over 3, finds the value of x. First step, we can find the value here about 1 plus 1 over 3. 1 and third, it will be 4 over 3. Or you can write here 3 over 3 and then collect together, it will be 4 over 3. Then you can write also the reciprocal about this number. Write 1 subtract by 1 over x over 1 equivalent to 4 over 3. Write the reciprocal about this term here. Okay, write the reciprocal about this number. Okay, I want to write the reciprocal. The result will be 3 over 4. Then 1 minus 1 over x equivalent to 3 over 4. Okay, then you can move here 1 over x will be positive and move 3 over 4 by negative. 1 subtract by 3 over 4. We know 1 equivalent to 4 over 4. Then you can write 4 over 4 subtract by 3 over 4 equivalent to 1 over x. 4 minus 3 equal 1. 1 over 4 equivalent to 1 over x. Then the value of x here will be 4. Okay, understood? I will write the answer here about 4 to find the steps in easy method. Okay? Okay, look at this question. You want to find e power 2 plus if a plus b plus c equals 0, we would find e power 2 over bc plus b power 2 over ec plus c power 2 over ap. Okay, think with me here about this example. What is the method here? We can product up and down by a. Right here, product by a, and here product by b, and product here by c. To like numerator, then we have e power 3 over abc plus b power 3 over abc plus c power 3 over abc. You can collect here the same base abc and up, right? E power 3 plus b power 3 plus c power 3. So we want to find the value of a power 3 plus c power b power 3 plus c power 3 from this information. You can write the steps here to put the value here. First step, you can write a plus b equivalent to negative c. And next step, put power 3 about a plus b, or power 3 equivalent to negative c all power 3. Okay, next step. Okay, my students. Okay, everybody. Okay, you can find this term to simplest first power 3 and second power 3, and write 3 product a times b first and second times summation between together. the result will be negative 3 power 3. Negative c power 3. Then a power 3 plus b power 3. We have here distributive properties 3ab, since we have 3a power 2b. Okay, right, 3a power 2b, right, 3a power 2, 3a power 2b plus 3a b times b to b power 2 equal negative c power 3. So you can write here a power 3 plus b power 3 and move the negative c, it will be positive c power 3. It's equivalent to 3 a power 2b plus 3 a b power 2. You can put the value here in this expression with the value of negative here, it will be positive, and moved 3a power 2b plus 3ab power 2 to left hand side, right hand side by change the sign. Okay, write negative outside about two terms here, negative. And then write Helcom factor between two terms ab and 3ab, and write negative outside. The remainder will be a plus b. I will put here the value of a power 3 plus b power 3 plus c power 3, negative 3ab times a plus b over e plus bc. We can simplest. And also we can complete here negative 3 and the value of ab equal negative c. With the value here of ab was negative c over c. Negative times negative positive. Okay, then the result will be 3c over c. The result will be 3. Then the value here a power 2 over bc plus b power 2 over ec plus c power 2 over ab equal 3. Then the answer here equal 3 about this question. Okay, understood? Understood the steps or not? Okay, again, first step, I product here numerator and denominator by a, and here also product by b and c to write the like denominator. And I found here a plus b equals c. I will put c by as inverse of sign and then put power 3 to left hand side, right hand side. You must know these rules here. First power 3 and second power 3 and 3 times the product between together and summation between two numbers equal negative c power 3. And then I will move negative here, negative c power 3 to left hand side, and this is two terms to right hand side by change the sign, and then put the value here about a power 3 plus b power 3 plus c power 3 equal negative 3 ab product by a plus b. We know a plus b equal negative c. Okay, negative times negative positive, then we have 3ab. Then the value here 3ab over 3abc. Okay, over denominator abc. You can cancel together 3. Okay, or write the answer like this. Okay, I will complete extra examples in the future. Okay, goodbye, my students. Everybody, how are you? Goodbye.